Hello, it's Gramps again, and I'm back in the corporate apartment. Um, what I'm doing right now is I'm taking a course on Udemy. It's called SketchUp for Woodworking. Bring your design to life in 3D, and it's by Simon Rodway. I would highly recommend the course. I'm getting a lot out of it, and I will be putting it to use shortly to design a plywood cart to get plywood out of the back of the truck and be able to break it down or move it into a rack on the wall. It'll be a tilting and bed type of um, cart so that you can tilt it and break the panels down like a panel saw, or you can use it flat. I utilize a Craig track system and with my circular saw, and I have had very good success with that. I find it a lot simpler than trying to manhandle sheets of plywood on the table saw by myself, because I don't have a big cabinet maker's panel saw. So it's much easier for me to do it with the track system. I mean, if you have an actual track saw, that's even better, but just the Craig with a circular saw works very well and is fairly accurate. So again, thank you very much, and we'll be hopefully getting those drawings done maybe this week, and be able to put them out for subscribers. Thank you very much. Bye.